Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the HQM Quarry console and feeding it resources. Place the console on the quarry frame and attach power. 500 HQM is required to initialize. Once done, connect the console to a generator or a powered grid and run a short cable to a storage box for output. You should verify the console reads "ready" before issuing commands, because the system won't mine until both power and HQM are confirmed. You now configure the console for the actual work. Open the UI and pick a depth and radius that match your quarry frame and power budget. Set ore priorities so HQM is pulled first, and adjust feed rate to avoid stalling. Higher rates use more power and degrade components faster. Make sure the output container is assigned and autorefill is toggled if you want it to pull replacement HQM or parts from connected storage, because manual refills slow runs. You kick off the quarry and then watch the console for live status, progress, power draw, and where indicators matter. If the run halts, immediately check power lines and HQM inventory, then inspect output containers and conveyors for jams. Replace any worn drill components and clear stacked items so throughput resumes smoothly. Make sure to schedule quick maintenance checks between long runs to prevent cascading failures, because proactive swaps save more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.